Looking for a baby monitor that's secure, simple, and actually reliable? HelloBaby HB6550 Baby Monitor gives you crystal clear monitoring, no Wi-Fi worries, and all-night peace of mind for parents. What's in the box? In the box, you find the HelloBaby HB6550 Baby Monitor, baby camera, 2 power adapters, screw pack, and user manual. Product overview. How to set up. After plugging in the HelloBaby HB6550, the setup is quick and straightforward as the camera powers on, shows a red light, and pairs easily with the monitor using a simple long press power button. Once activated, the display immediately comes to life, letting you navigate the menu, adjust volume, and access features like lullabies and temperature monitoring, making the whole system feel responsive, user-friendly, and ready to use within minutes. Installation. After setting up the camera, it's time to mount the HelloBaby HB6550. The process is actually pretty simple, even without clear instructions. The flexible mount bends easily but feels strong. You just align the correct adapter piece, slide it into place like a key, twist it until it locks, and tighten everything so it stays secure, giving you a stable setup that can be wrapped around a crib or nearby surface and adjusted to point exactly where your baby will be, making the whole monitor ready for real use in just a few minutes. Smart features? A large 5-inch HD display delivers a clear, real-time view with smooth video quality for easy monitoring. It lets you see every detail of the room clearly, even from a distance, without straining your eyes. The camera can be remotely controlled to pan, tilt, and zoom, giving full coverage of the entire room without needing to move it manually. It helps you easily track your baby's movements and focus on any area whenever needed. Works without Wi-Fi using a secure wireless connection, keeping the video feed private and protected from online hacking risks. It ensures a stable, interference-free connection for reliable real-time monitoring. Clear night vision allows you to see your baby in complete darkness with sharp, detailed video. Two-way audio lets you listen and speak instantly, so you can soothe your baby from another room. Includes helpful smart features like room temperature monitoring, sound and cry alerts, Vox mode, and built-in lullabies for added convenience. These tools help maintain a safe and soothing environment for your baby at all times. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the HelloBaby HB6550 Baby Monitor from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HelloBaby HB6550 Baby Monitor. See you at the next one.